The forthcoming episode of popular show Pardes Mein Hai Mera Dil is bringing forth romantic sequence for all its viewers. Wherein first, Raghav was the one to destroy the cake which Naina had made for him. And now, after realizing his mistake, Raghav will bake a cake for Naina and they both are going to share it. Well, it will happen so that Naina would console Raghav and try to convince him that he is not responsible in any way for his grandpa's death. After which, Raghav realizes his mistake and then bakes a cake for Naina. After which, they both share the cake merrily. What do you feel on the same? Leave your comments below. And for more television updates, subscribe our channel TV Prime Time.